Hey guys, what's going on? It's a Block Bull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now today we're going to take a look at a few of these cryptos in the watch list. So first and foremost, we've got Gala and Velo. The biggest gain is 7.7% for Velo, 7.2% for Gala. We've got XRP and Onyx coin also in the red. We do have XDC slightly in the green at 1%. So XDC is going to be massive. So shout out to everybody who has purchased and gone over to theblockbulls.com. Link below in the description if you guys need a plan. These are absolutely pivotal. If you're not going to go and grab one of these plans, make sure you tailor your own plan. Make sure you have a strategy, because the last thing you want to do is just hodl the bag and basically run it up and down. Yeah, you'll be straight back in the bear market before you know it, guys. So make sure you're taking profits. Okay, the plan is all set now. I've emailed that out. I've also emailed a video as well to better explain, a private video. So you'll receive a link upon purchase and you can access that, guys, and you can go in at your own pace, etc. But we've got some massive targets for XDC. I'm very, very proud of the update now. So I do believe that this XDC plan offers tremendous value and you will not be disappointed with some of the targets. I do give all the statistical information as well, how likely we are to achieve those sort of targets. We've also got some sort of AI recommendations as well. Okay, so it's all looking very, very good for XDC. So big up XDC and the people that have accessed that. So yeah, thank you for your support. Now let's get over to the chart. So first and foremost, we've got XRP. We'll revisit XDC. We'll take a look at some of the gainers as well. So this is again, this is just on a smaller time frame. So this is daily time frame. So we've discussed this in previous videos. We've got the left shoulder, we've got the head there, and we've also got the sort of right shoulder playing out for me now. XRP needs to begin invalidating this sort of structure, and this is what I'm looking for. Some sort of closes above this sort of level. You can see where the resistance is. So it's creating left shoulder, right shoulder, in my opinion. Now, what's concerning is this head and shoulder pattern. This is basically textbook stuff, yeah. So you get the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, yeah. Now they've drawn a horizontal line through the neckline there, yeah. So you get the two spikes there either side, and then the neckline is here. So the target, if we are coming down and making a retracement, and this is what I'm thinking, guys, yeah. So you usually get your Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins moving. This time around, it's been Bitcoin, XRP, and it seems as if altcoin season is picking up. Okay, now we do have other sort of cryptocurrencies that are strongly correlated with XRP, mainly XLM. Okay, XLM, obviously brother and sister, gold and silver, whatever. Okay, and the target here is this measurement from the head to the neckline. That would be the target to the downside if we are to come down, guys. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying it's something to look out for. So mentally, you can prepare yourself to ride the waves. Okay, so whether you're sort of dollar cost averaging or kind of if you want to sort of accumulate more, this would be a brilliant target to accumulate. So if we actually zoom into XRP now, we can see straight away. So what we'll do is we'll insert the sort of neckline. So this for me would be the neckline. Yeah, and it still looks like we've got time to play out. So is XRP going to come down to the neckline? That would be approximately around $2.05 for XRP if it was to come down. Now, like I say, if we are looking at this sort of textbook stuff here, it's almost like a measured move from head to the neckline and then from neckline to the target. So that's quite easy to implement over on XRP. Like I said, I'm not saying this is going to happen. It's something you need to look out for, guys. So all we're simply doing there is basically measuring from the top, and then we'll just do a measured move downwards. So this is bringing us out around the target around sort of $1.25. So this is something we have to look out for, guys, yeah? Be mentally prepared for it. I'm riding XCN up at the minute, Onyx coin, because we're still in that double bull pennant, and I do believe that is going to rip and we can make 10x on our money. And then we can look to rotate XRP and XDC and begin to execute the plan. So this is the idea, guys. Now, again, we've got XRP. I've pretty much almost completed the XRP plan as well. Some massive targets there, a lot of confluential. I thought my targets was a little bit too optimistic, I must admit, when I first put the XRP plan together. But I'll tell you what, there's more confluential data. I've again done AI recommendations when to sort of exit and scale out and take profits. So this next update for XRP, which is likely going to be dropping very, very soon, most likely next week. Like I said, we've already got XDC one. This is going to be absolutely massive, guys, and I do believe it does offer tremendous value. You do get a 10% discount if you was to purchase both of those plans as a bundle. These are going to be absolutely lifesavers for you guys. So this is XRP anyway, so just be careful at this moment in time. Now, if we get over to Gala, Gala's looks to me as if it's testing the handle. So I'll just scroll out for you guys so you guys can see the sort of bullish diamond formation to the rarest chart patterns. You subscribers will be aware of this sort of pattern playing out. And then we've got the cup and handle. So this is what Gala's doing at the moment. We're looking to break out now. So this is what I'm saying, guys. It's now rotating from Bitcoin, from XRP, and it's now going out to the market cap, excluding the top 10. So, things like Gala, things like Velo, they're all starting to move now. XYen is at that point now where it's going to break out, which we'll revisit next. So Gala could absolutely run here, and it could, I would say we're looking at finding resistance at around 5 cent. If 5 cent is breached, then my God, it's on like Donkey Kong for Gala, and this will be my sort of first target up here. So this is one of the fib levels up around 30 cent. So from sort of current price action around here, you're going to be running up here. So you're looking at a 10x up to there. If you get to the higher figures, you're looking at more like a 14x. So some strong gains to be had, in my opinion. Now, that would make the more sense as well, because you can see this measured move. If I just basically plot that 50% line on top of there, that would take us up to around sort of 30 cents. So that would make the most sense, in my view, for Gala. As when to start taking profits, okay. And then again, if you are taking profits on Gala, you can rotate it into other coins like XRP, like the other ISO tokens, like HBAR, like Quant, like XDC, whatever you want, okay. Fantastic gains to be had. Now, before we get to XYen, let's take a look at Velo as well, because like we've discussed this on the previous video where we've running into two lots of support. So we had this sort of green sort of channel going on, yeah. And we also had this orange sort of support as well, which is the 382 support. So, like I said, look at this. This is all marked in from last time. So we are up, and we do look to be heading up to here. So again, we have to break this green sort of resistance line here. As soon as that happens, it looks as if we're going to get to one of these fib targets here up around 10, 11 cent, which is approximately 440%. Okay, so again, Velo, Gala, all got massive gains to be had in this sort of short term to medium. Okay, now let's get over to XYen. XYen is here. We've got it all marked out. So if in doubt, guys, just zoom out. So this is XYen, yeah. A lot of people are crying and they're like, oh, XYen's only been going down. Yeah, we're probably down 50, 60%. I forget how much it is. But ultimately, this is the movement we've been making. And all we've been doing is retesting this sort of imperative sort of price action, which kind of flips sort of support into resistance or resistance into support, depending on which way you want to look at it. So this is a key level, in my opinion. Now, this is what XYen has come down to retest. Okay, the 200-day moving average is around this sort of spot as well, so I can soon put that in there. Yeah, I'll get the moving averages up. You can see the green line. So that green line is a 50-day moving average, and that's converging now with that key level of support. So we have actually tested that already with this wick down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. In fact, what I'll do is just lend that there. So this wick here has already tested that. So whether or not XYen wants to wick down, test that 50-day moving average along with that sort of key level of support, then it's literally off, guys. I do believe that bull pennant will break, and then obviously we'll be targeting up at these sort of fib levels and all-time highs around 18 cent. Okay, so again, some massive gains to be had. Again, that's like 10, 11x up to sort of all-time highs up here. So some fantastic gains, and I'm sticking with it, guys, because this will move a lot quicker than a lot of the other coins. Okay, it's just the nature of it, because this only set off sort of mid-January, where the rest of the altcoins, they all set off around 5th of November at the time of the US elections when Donald Trump got elected. Okay, so basically on its coin, he's on a one-man mission, yeah, and it's on a moon mission to get to all-time highs, similar to like what XRP is doing, similar to what XLM's doing, similar to what XDC's already attempted. So this is where we are now, guys. Brilliant. No-brainer, in my opinion. Like I said, guys, if you need an XRP plan, updates to come, that absolutely smashed out of the park, in my view, for XDC. Don't mind to blow me on trumpet, but the XDC plan is going to be spot on, and it's going to make a lot of people wealthy. Yeah, so for the sake of this figure down here, you're going to have a full-on map as to when to buy and sell, re-enter, etc., etc. So it's going to be absolutely mega, guys. I'm so happy with that. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I've been the Block Bubble. Until next time, the Block Bubble is over and out.